all sides can agree on one thing.
There is a great deal of complexity.
It's a complex thing.
It is a complex thing. A complex that could house veterans, seniors, and healthcare workers here. Voted down in Central Saanich Council last week.
The motion fails with Councillor Thompson, Councillor King, and myself in opposition.
And Mayor Ryan Windsor stands by the decision and the document, Central Saanich's official community plan, or OCP, that clears the way for 28 units of housing to be built at the corner of East Saanich and Hovey Road. The proposed development would see 192 units in 2 buildings, with 40% of those earmarked for affordable housing, with rent starting at $900 a month. Council wasn't voting on the project last Monday, but whether or not to bring it forward for public discussion, and the public hasn't been shy to comment since.
There are people who say, yep, we're pleased the OCP was upheld. Others saying, what are you doing? Those are always fair questions and comments.
Some on council were critical.
It's unfortunate that my colleagues felt that they knew better than the public in this instance.
But Windsor says the OPC was updated just last year. This proposal is a partnership between a private developer, Arise Developments, and a nonprofit, Victoria Legion Manor. Both think it's at least worthy of public discussion.
Still don't really see how there's a downside in sending a project of this magnitude and this importance to a public hearing to have residents weigh in.
We thought we had a clear path forward, and now it was abruptly stopped without really clear direction, except for it just doesn't conform.
From the Legion's perspective, it's the perfect project. The new building would be next door to Legion Manor, giving them the ability to link up facilities and programming for veterans. The BC Nonprofit Housing Association is on board and will pen a letter to council.
Our public polling shows that this is the exact kind of housing that British Columbians want. They want it right throughout the province, and they know that we need more of it, not less.
Central Saanich Council meets next on November 4th.
There is a mechanism for members of council, including myself, to reconsider an item.
And an opportunity to decide whether complex is worth a conversation.